So we're here for Creative Waves, which is a Calico and Acorn event, and it is celebrating the role that creativity can play in recovery and recovery protection. We've got contributions from a whole host of brilliant creative folks. We've got films, we've got music, we've got talks, but all of it focusing on what people have got from their creative talent and how they've managed to pull other people into their project and how important that is for recovery.
My name is Claire Maimonette. I'm a disabled filmmaker and I'm here today to see the screening of Umbilical.
I appeared in a short film called Had It. I was in the acting group with Chris Bream and Ed Jones. And also my poem's being read out called Potato.
With a sweet fairy potato. Can you imagine how pleased I was that I had this in my house?
When he started to get clean, sort himself out, I tell him how useless he was and how boring he was without them, and watch him go through the process all over again.
Traditionally, services look at relapse prevention, and that has been a kind of mainstay in treatment services now for several decades. But at this point now at Acorn, we're actually changing that around.
When I went into rehab in 2019, there was a guitar, and I hadn't played guitar for 26 years.
One step at a time, I'm going to get to that door.
Father, I didn't even know the rules, so how could I possibly play the game?
Whenever you engage in something creative, you just kind of forget all your troubles, all your worries, and you really focus.
Suicide is the biggest cause of death for men under the age of 50.
Most important thing about all this stuff is that having access to being creative, you know, it's one thing. I think there's creativity in everybody.
And I think there's great healing potential for, using creativity to have people's stories heard, believed and understood.